If you have a horse who's 5 or 6 year old, they do good. But this is the horse, he's maybe 8 weeks out of the field. Oh. Here, now he comes. Here, oh. Come. Oh. Come. You can take him a little bit to you, because now he's... sometimes you have to say, hey friend, now we stop with watching around, take your head to me. Come. Use a little bit of whip. Hey. Hoitsa. Hoitsa. Also very important is that the horse is good in condition for the curring. Is good in the hair. They has a nice black color. The manes are good. It are all things the judges think, hey, what is this? And that's the first thing the judges see. You come into the ring, and if everything is good, and then you have a good point for that. And the first point, it's sometimes the best. There he comes. Now he get better. Sometimes we let him stand still in trot. Hey. Here you see it's hard for him, but if you train to it, then they get used to it. But now he's not standing nice still. I would take him a little bit back. Let him stand nice still. Also for the judges, they have to stand here. This is better. Good. And if you do it like this, there's a lunge line, they have to stand still. And then we put them for the carriage, no problem. Put them for the carriage and they are used to this. Go a little bit more to here. You see, this side is much better, eh? Come. So you try to get the right side. You every time try to get that better and better. Mostly we have at home, we make a ring for the horses. They go into there, a round ring, and then it's harder or easier for the horse, because now every time he could do his thing. But we also need the total ring, because we have also a couple horses we present you to running in the whole ring, so we can't build a ring. But that's easier for a young horse. On this, if you do it on this way, the horse learns to walk on his own feet. If you always have the side things around him, they walk not on their own feet, but they walk to the wall. And this is, it's good for the horse, but the result is a little bit less than when you use the